Enjoy music and stay aware of your surroundings with Soundcore V20i open-ear headphones. Lightweight, comfy, and delivering clear, crisp sound perfect for workouts, commuting, or daily adventures. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Soundcore V20i open-ear headphones. Charging case. Charging cable. And user manual. Product overview. Adjustable ear hook. Touch area. Customizable LED light. Charging contactors. Sound outlet. USB-C charging port. Charging case indicator. How to wear. Pick up the earbuds and set the ear hooks to level 4. Hook them over your ears and adjust between levels for the best fit. If they feel loose, go down a level. If uncomfortable, go up. Shake or nod your head to make sure they stay in place. How to charge. Gently insert both earbuds into the case until they snap into place. Ensure the charging contacts align properly inside the case. The earbuds will start charging automatically as long as the case has power. First, connect the adapter to a power outlet. Then plug the USB-C cable into the adapter and connect the other end to the USB-C port. When the LED light turns on, it means the device is charging. How to pair. Download the Soundcore app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Use it to manage settings, customize controls, adjust EQ, and update firmware. The Soundcore app helps you get the best experience and more control over your earbuds. For first use, open the case and take out the earbuds. Remove the insulation stickers and place them back in the case. Take them out again and they will turn on and enter pairing mode. Go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and select Soundcore V20i. When the light turns on for 1 second and then off, the earbuds are successfully connected. Download and install the Soundcore app from the App Store or Play Store. Open it, agree to the terms, and allow Bluetooth access. Take the earbuds out of the case so the lights start blinking, then go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and select Soundcore V20i to connect. After pairing, use the Soundcore app to check battery, adjust sound, customize controls, and enable dual connection. Smart features? Sits comfortably outside your ears, letting you enjoy music while still hearing the world around you. Great for staying aware during workouts, commuting, or outdoor activities. Delivers powerful, punchy sound with deep, rich bass. Enhances your music for a more immersive listening experience. 4 built-in microphones with AI technology capture your voice clearly and reduce background noise. Ensures crisp, easy-to-hear calls in any environment. Adjustable ear hooks provide a secure and comfortable fit, while stylish LED lights add a sleek, modern look. Perfect for all-day wear and personal style. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Soundcore V20i open-ear headphones from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Soundcore V20i open-ear headphones. See you at the next one.